This video shows you how to operate Keysight Technologies 34401 digital multimeter, previously Agilent Technologies, further earlier Hewlett-Packard, entry-level edition. 34401A overview and features. At first, 10 measurement functions, DC and AC voltage, DC and AC current, 2 and 4 wire resistance, diode, continuity, frequency, and period. 6.5 digit resolution. Basic accuracy 0.0035% at DC, 0.06% at AC, 1000 volt max voltage input, and 3 ampere max current input. 1000 readings per second. 512 reading memory. Bench view software enabled. Control your DMM from your PC to view and capture your data easily. The new 34461 2V series DMM is the 34401A replacement with everything you depend on with the 34401A and more. The front panel has 2 rows of keys to select various functions and operations. Most key has a shifted function printed in blue above the key. To perform a shifted function, press Shift. The Shift annunciator will turn on. Then press the key that has the desired label above it. For example, to select the DC current function, press Shift DCV. The rear panel at a glance. There are black and red terminals at the left end. BNC connector for voltmeter complete output is on the right. Next one is an external trigger input terminal, and GPIB and RS-232 interface connectors are available. Voltage measurement. To measure DC voltage, press DCV key in the left upper side of function keys. To measure AC voltage, press ACV and connect right upper side of left terminal and black terminal in the middle of the tree. Range is up to 1000 voltage in DC measurement. At AC measurement, up to 750 voltage. Resistance measurements. Select ohm 2W key in front panel to measure 2-wire ohms. Use red and black terminals on right end to connect resistance with test leads. Press Shift and ohm 4W keys to set 4-wire ohms measurements. Use additional sense terminals and connect 4 test leads to resistance. Since no current flow in the sense leads, the resistance in these leads does not give a measurement error. Current measurement. Press Shift and DCI keys to measure DC current. Ranges are up to 3 amperes. When you measure AC current, press Shift and ACI keys. Please use terminals at the right end. Center black terminal for minus, lower side red terminal for plus to measure DC and AC current. Frequency or period measurement. Press Freq key to measure frequency or Shift period key. Measurement band is 3 Hz to 300 kHz. Input signal range is 100 mV to 750 volt AC and connect red terminal at right up corner and black one to measure frequency or period. Continuity test. Press Cont key to test continuity. Beeper threshold is set between 1 ohm to 1000 ohm. Connect red terminal at the upper right corner and black one, and beeps below adjustable threshold resistance value as continuity device. To check diodes, press Shift key and marked diode key to check diodes. Connect red terminal at right up corner as plus and black one as minus. Beeps between 0.3 volt to 0.8 volts as a forward-biased diode. Additional information to select a remote interface from one of two, such as an HPIB-GPIB or an RS-232 interface. At first, shift on-off key to turn on the front panel menu. Second, move across the I/O menu choice on this level. Next, move down a level, then across to the interface command. Move down the parameter level to select the interface from HPIB, GPIB, or RS-232. At last, press Enter key to save the change and turn off the menu. This is the end of this video about 3441A User's Guide entry level. References and citations are from Keysight Technologies 3441A datasheet and User's Guide. Thank you for watching.